All right, guys, here we are at the Ocean Club West in Providenciales Turks and Caicos. I'm gonna take you a walk through the property so you can kind of get a feel for it. As you can see, it's beautiful vegetation, beautiful gardens, nice palm trees. This is the lobby area, the Ocean Club. And you see there's some bikes here that you can take to roam around the property if you'd like. Tennis courts. There's a lot to do here. It's nice thing about it, it's also right on Grace Bay. You know, what people have considered the best beach in the world year after year, which I'll get to show you here in a little bit. Most of these units are owned by people, so this is not necessarily a hotel, but you can rent them. You know, when people aren't staying here, they give them up as rentals. So it's they're nice. They're 1-bedroom studios, 2 bedrooms, studios, 3 bedrooms. There's penthouses. There's a variety of different options here. But today I'm just going to show you a little bit of the outside. So right now we're walking towards the pool area. It's not a really big property. They own another property called Ocean Club. Some people call it Ocean Club East. But this property is really, really nice. You can see the rooms. They're all screened-in patios. Make sure those little guys don't get you at night. A beautiful little courtyard here with a waterfall. Water fountain, I should say. And you got your main pool area here. So it's nice. It's a quiet resort. Not a ton going on. Just a good place to chill out, as you can see. So that's one of the pool areas. There's just another little pool area here as well. There's a small little bridge over it. And as you can see, there's a little gazebo there. Now that little gazebo has grills, so for people who live here, or even people who rent here, you can go to the local grocery store, buy yourself some steaks, some burgers, and cook yourself. Save yourself a little bit of money if you don't feel like going to the restaurants one day or one night. Just a little grill area, a little swing that my kids were enjoying yesterday while they were here. And here's one of their other pools. As we go back over this little bridge, we're gonna walk towards their restaurant called Solana. Great for lunch, great place for dinner. They also serve breakfast here. Like I said, and it's just steps away from the world famous Grace Bay Beach. Little bar area there. A little hammock here if you feel like taking a nice little nap. Listen to those waves crash. Here's the little dining area by the beach. Bar area. And here you get towel service, showers, place to wash your feet if you need to. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you, my friend? Good to see you again.
Okay.
What's going on? Good. You guys having a good morning?
Yeah.
Good. Thanks, man. Get some showers. Place to put your shoes. And place to conveniently wash your feet. And as we walk down, we've got beautiful Grace Bay Beach, which I'll give you a quick look at. Here are all the umbrellas, chairs that they provide you as a guest of the resort. here's Grace Bay Beach. Can't beat it. A few waves coming in today. Usually it's extremely calm. But again, like I mentioned in a previous video, if you look at this water, it looks like it's photoshopped. It's absolutely beautiful, turquoise blue. Got some little guys doing a little surfing. And you've also got a trampoline there that you can pay for on the water. And that's Ocean Club West, Providenciales Turks and Caicos on the world-famous Grace Bay Beach. And this is Wilson from Anchors Away Travel. Make it an awesome day.